Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the display resolution on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the system tile. Go ahead and select that. On the left side, select display, and then on the right, there should be something that says scale and layout, and it should say change the size of text, apps, and other items. You can adjust those settings by selecting the advanced scaling settings if you want to adjust the scaling apps or options for your device, and you can adjust the percentage there. Conversely, if you just wanted to adjust the actual display resolution itself, you can just click the drop-down menu underneath display resolution, make your selection from the list, and if you do not like the preferred settings or what it's showing up as, you can select revert, and it'll change back to whatever the previous settings were. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.